Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have Genuine Joe Pine Oil Cleaner. If I can find the pine oil content, I will include that in the description. And here's a look at the direction side. And as always, feel free to pause to look at something a little closer. And there's the contact info. So let's go on over to the cloud cam and see what we can mix up over there. Alright, now over here at the cloud cam, let's mix up some product and see what happens. And as usual, I've got my 1/8 cup, 30 milliliter little measuring cup here for my test cleaning. And it may spill over a little bit. I don't see any clouds, but I do have a nice traditional pine scent. Not too overpowering, so we'll call it a medium pine, but it is the traditional pine. Let's go on back over to the floor cam and get started with the work. As usual, I'll go over the floor twice, and I will rinse out the mop between moppings, between 1 and 2. Wring out the mop. Let's get started. There's round 1 completed. Rinse out the mop. And let's go for round 2. Round 2 is completed. There's a couple little scragglers left behind. We'll knock that over into the carpet. I can vacuum later, but I am left with a traditional clean pine scent in the front hallway here. Pretty happy with this product. I'd probably buy it again if the price was right. Let's take a look at the water. It sudsed up a little bit and it's gotten quite a bit darker, so it did a pretty good job on the cleaning. Once again, Genuine Joe Pine Oil Cleaner. Thank you for watching.